Hello folks, so today we are making some Bulgar rice and peas, or using Bulgar instead of rice to make some dinner. It's not the regular Bulgar that you're used to, guys. This one is a Bulgar that is coming from the Middle East, and I promise you it is so different from the ones that was normally used. We're adding a little bit of butter to our stock pot, and we add a little bit of olive oil. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of the bulgur. And guys, as you can see, this is not the regular bulgur. This is more like a whole wheat bulgur. It's not a cracked form of bulgur, and it is totally different from the ones that we're used to in the Caribbean. And I promise you guys, it is way better. I promise you. We're adding some cooked peas to our bulgur as we continue to stir it on the pot. Start to warm it through, and of course release some of the oils that are lodged in the grain. Guys, this is an easy way to get your bulgur done and done right. Now, the water from the cooked peas is what we're adding there, and just about a cup, and then we're adding half a cup of concentrated coconut milk. And guys, you want to add enough water to make sure that your bulgur cooks all the way through. Once you have done that, you just want to stir and incorporate the peas, and then you want to season a little bit. Here I'm adding about a teaspoon of Larry's seasoned salt, a little bit of garlic powder. Again, these are all taste done to your taste, and so if you want to add things differently, you can do that. We're adding some paprika to it as well for color and for that nice little flavor vibes. You understand what I'm saying? Of course, we have to add our fresh ingredients like our scallions and of course our thyme. You want to make sure it's a scallion and thyme in it. We also add a little bit of sugar just for the vibes. Yes, guys. And of course, if you have garlic, you want to add that too. We're adding a country pepper, and then we allow this to steam nicely. Cover the pot, turn on the stove, and just as how you would do a normal rice and peas, that's how you're gonna do until it dries out. And if it needs more water, you keep on adding. At this time, you want to take your fork and just stir it up a little bit. Yeah, fluff it up, make sure it's shelly and fragrant. You understand what I'm saying? And there you have it, guys. Yes, bulgur done like rice and peas, like Jamaican rice and peas. And guys, you can add this to any meal to make it a dinner. You can add whatever meat kind you are having. Today we are having a little bit of stuffed clams with a piece of ribs, and that's our dinner with our bulgur. Bulgur is way more nutritious than rice, and this particular brand of bulgur that we found from the Middle East is way better than the regular bulgur that we have in the Caribbean. So guys, try this in your neck of the woods. Until then, Yardie Belly TV doing it just like this. Remember, live and laugh, cook, make sure say you eat. Yeah, man.